Meaning of the English idiom, school of thought. A school of thought is a particular set of theories, ideas, or opinions, a certain philosophy or way of thinking, especially when held by a group of people. Usage of idiom. We often refer to a common school of thought. This is a way of thinking or a set of beliefs or opinions held by many people. However, when we use this idiom and refer to a certain school of thought, it often means that we ourselves do not share in this way of thinking. In other words, unless we are discussing the existence of several schools of thought, the idiom school of thought usually refers to the way other people think. It also means that there are other alternative views from which to choose. Examples of use. Today, there are 5 major schools of thought in psychology, but many psychologists do not only draw on one. Some yoga teachers believe that you cannot separate the practice from its religious background, but I don't prescribe to that school of thought. It's great exercise. The Big Bang Theory is only one school of thought on how the universe was formed, but it is the leading one. Is it true that you shouldn't do cardio on the same day as weight work? Asked the client. According to one school of thought, yes, but it depends on your goals, replied the trainer. Origin of idiom. This idiom has been used since at least the mid-1800s. The word school has long referred to a group of people who share the same views or philosophy. Therefore, school of thought refers to this philosophy.